Did you know that Prêt-à-Template app now offers printable garment patterns? That's right! Starting today, you can download sewing patterns that match the garment templates available in the app. To find which templates have patterns ready to download, just look for the black pattern icon on the top right. Tap on it, choose unit of measurement, metric or inches, select your body type, standard or plus size, and then pick your size. Once everything is set, hit download and send the PDF straight to your computer, via AirDrop, message, or email. The PDF is ready to print using a plotter or any home printer. Just don't forget to set up the file as actual size. Let's make a zip-up hoodie. Start by downloading your pattern. Check the information table to review the flat drawing, notions, sizing, and the printing scale. Cut out your pieces following the outer cutting line. Before cutting the fabric, we're going to make a small modification. I'm going to create a facing for the zipper. You can make this hoodie without a facing or use this method for a clean finish. Start by finding the center of the shoulder and the center of the hem on the front panel. Square both points and connect them with a smooth curve. Separate this new pattern piece. No extra seam allowance is needed. Label it as front facing and cut 2 pieces. Now, cut the rest of the pattern as usual. For this project, we'll be also cutting a lining for the hood and the cuffs and waistband in a rib knit. Let's start with the hood. Join the hood panels by sewing the curved center seam. Repeat the same for the hood lining. Place the lining inside the main hood, right sides together, and sew around the front edge. Turn the hood right sides out, press it flat, and top stitch the front edge for a clean finish. Set it aside for now. Next, prepare the front pockets, following the markings on the pattern for the placement. Overlock the edges, press the seam allowance to the inside, and top stitch each panel in place. Now, install the separating zipper at the center front. Place the facing over the zipper and sew only along the zipper edge. Turn the facing to the inside, press and top stitch. Overlock all remaining raw edges to the facing. Leave a small opening at the bottom, which you'll use later when attaching the ribbed waistband. Check that both sides of the zipper align perfectly. Place the back panel over the front, right sides together, and sew the shoulder seams. Overlock the seams and press them flat. Open the garment and attach both sleeves. Now, prepare the ribbed cuffs and waistband. Fold each cuff in half and sew the ends. Turn them right sides out. Do the same with the waistband, then press everything flat. Go back to the jacket and sew both side seams, including the sleeves. Pin the cuffs to the sleeves, matching the seams. Pin the waistband to the bottom edge, leaving the facings free at each end. Sew everything in place and overlock the seams. Now, attach the facings to the waistband. This hides all the raw edges and creates a clean, professional finish. It also makes the inside of the hoodie look much nicer when the zipper is open. Finally, attach the hood to the neckline. Pin it carefully, matching the center back and shoulder seams. Sew the hood to the main garment first, leaving the facings free. Then, fold the facings over, enclosing the raw edges. And finish the ends by stitching them in place. Give the entire garment a good press, check that the zipper closes smoothly, and everything is nice and even. And here's the final result: an oversized zip-up hoodie that's comfortable, practical, and easy to style. Make it in a classic solid color or have fun with the prints. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I see you next time. Bye!